members here. Please give them a big round of applause while they get to their pitch. This is how we start. This is here? Yeah, right.
I am Kisle, and I am an IIM dropout. So right after I left my college, I was trying to get a job, and I quickly realized to even have a chance in this market, you need to use AI. So we understood that using AI is the safer option, right? So what's the safest option? Being an AI producer. And that's how we started Tensor Analytics. We are the Pitch Brewers, and welcome to our presentation.
Now, how many of you use ChatGPT? Give me a raise up. Oh, that's a very good nice number. So basically, ChatGPT has been my companion so far, and I'm pretty sure most of you have it in your phone as well. And some of my co-peers might have used ChatGPT for their presentation, right? Now, who all love messy data? Messy, no one, right? Imagine John, an SDR or BDR of your company. Have you ever imagined how much data he has to go through with? When I say data, I mean spreadsheet messy data, CRM messy data, large Excel files, documents. And that made him thinking he might to lose his job. Why so? Because not able to being productive, unable to deliver project on time, and lots of error. So he turned to ChatGPT thinking it might going to make his life much easier. But what happens is ChatGPT throw a wall of text in front of him. That even more frustrating, isn't it? When you have limited time, right? So what if I ask you all, how many of you would have loved if ChatGPT could tap into your Salesforce, HubSpot, and anyone can get any answer within one single chat interface? I mean, who doesn't love everything in a one single platter? And I mean, we would have loved it. And that's how we got our movement, Tensor. And that's how Tensor came into existence.
Sounded so amazing, the building was shaking. So, what's the present scenario? Our product is ready and we are going to market pretty soon. And let me tell you, we already got a seed investment from a private investor in US. Pretty amazing. So, is Tensor better than ChatGPT? Yes and no. We make ChatGPT perform better. Your user puts a prompt inside our engine that goes through your company data, pulls out relevant insights, and throws it back to the users. This is more factual accurate, and it also gives sources. So we make ChatGPT perform much better. As you can see from this matrix, we perform consistently better across all parameters from all base LLMs and standard RAG models. But why for pharma? There's a gap for pharma.
And for the same tool, there exists a huge market opportunity. A TAM of $235 million and a SAM of $59 million. What's our advantage? We have a founder mode and we have an intellectual. So the pharma GenAI market has an amazing CAGR of 31.1% and up to 10x cost reduction in the drug development cost. Sounds like a decent value proposition, right? 68% of major healthcare companies will move to GenAI solution this year, according to a McKinsey report. And we serve up to 135 use cases for pharma, ranging from clinical trial matching to sales trend analysis.
So with regards to customer acquisition and retention, we do like any other companies which cater across enterprise clients. When it is customer acquisition, we use digital marketing campaigns, account-based marketing, and partnerships
with multiple consultancies. And with retention, we have planned for monthly regular check-ins and quarterly business reviews, and as well as dedicated account managers. And that's not all. By the end of year 2025, we are launching our tool called RAG Native. As Kisle mentioned, RAG Pro is for pharma companies and RAG Native is for someone who wants to create their own RAG tools. Say for example, I want to create a tool for stock market. So I'm into stocks basically. So I want to create a tool for stock market. So RAG Native helps me to build a tool for stock market. So that's how RAG Native is. So it's a
plug and play model, no coded platform, and it is domain agnostic. So think of any domain, you can build a RAG model out of RAG native. And that's not all. While the moment we are speaking, we are building a POC for India's largest pharma company. So Kisley, should I tell the name?
Calm down, guys. Anyways, let me take you to the financial for next 5 years, what we are planning for the revenue. Our ARPU is $60K, out of which $50K for our product fee, $10K for our implementation fee. In year 1, we are expecting a revenue of $600K from our main product, which is RAG Pro. In second year, we are expecting a ARR of $2 million, out of which $1.2 million from our main product, which is RAG Pro, and rest is from RAG Native. In 3 and 4 years, we are going to be mainly focused on expansion and improving our operations so that we can hit a milestone of partnering with more than 100 enterprise globally to achieve ARR of $25 million.
But also, in the next 5 years, we might not build a unicorn, but we are damn sure that we are gonna make enterprise AI scalable and more accessible to all of you. Well, thank you for listening to us today, and if you have any questions, ask.
RAG Pro.
Now, the story of Tensor Analytics was quite different. This was an actual startup which was led by Kisley, who was the lead presenter in the entire team. And they had already raised a funding check from a US-based private equity firm. And when they went on the stage, they went out with that confidence. And what was more interesting about the entire pitch was their product, exactly what they were building. If I have to give you a very short brief, they were building a better ChatGPT for pharmaceutical companies.